I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. Give your haunting walk when you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing my skincare routine because I posted on Instagram that I got a whole lot of new stuff, and thank you for recommending me some of the products that I got. Just took a shower and I washed my face in the shower with the, how am I a beauty guru? I'm not. With the Best No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. Yes, great. Okay. And my nighttime will do after work and stuff. And my skin was like okay with like drugstore products, but I did want like a little bit, I wanted to invest, okay? I just wanted to invest. I'm gonna go in with toner. I'm using the Witch Hazel. Also, my hair is so, I bought these off Amazon. I'll link everything down below, but cotton pads. They're super cute and super soft. I'm just putting this all over my face. Ugh. My Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, the vitamin C one. This is the mini version. I'm a terrible YouTuber. But I take 2 pumps every time. I only use this in the morning. I just put this all over my skin now. Down. Going in with oil. This is Rejuvenate oil from my hair care company. And I put 4 drops. And if I have any acne, I put it on there too. What do I do next? Oh, base rolling. If you've been thinking about buying one of these, 100% do it. Ow. It does feel really good when it's cold. Like this is kind of cold just because it's been in my like skincare cabinet. But I 1,000% love this thing. I forgot what it does. It does like a lot of things. You can rate it when you buy it or like on the Sephora website. This is from Sephora. This is the one that you see like as you walk out to check out, and it's like, oh, buy me. This pimple is like really bugging me. I never get pimples right there. Oh yeah, I go up and down and then side to side. Okay. Next, my bags are horrible today. I am putting on the Drunk Elephant Proteini Polypeptide Cream. A lot to say. But I got the Drunk Elephant, I'll show you, in the birthday gift thing for May. And I 100,000% loved it. Like I noticed a huge difference in my skin. I ran out of that stuff so quickly. My lash serum, I don't know, I'll show you. But it like helps your lashes grow. And if you know me, like my lashes are non-existent, but not anymore thanks to this. So I just put it on my lash line and a little bit on top of my lashes. And then I like brush it onto my lashes. Now that that's on, I put this on every morning and night. We're going in with our eye cream. This is the Ole Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. Yeah, I have nails, so I go under. That was a lot. I look crazy. And then for me to rub this in, I don't like swipe it. I dab it in with my finger. Nice little dab. This is like really light. I really like this one. The other one, it's nice. It makes your eyes definitely like pop, brighten. It definitely brightens. But sometimes it would leave like a residue and it looked like I had like zinc or sunscreen on. I'm gonna use this. This one, it's like something multi-action lift something. Even if you think you're not gonna be in the sun, you do get sun exposure when just like sitting in your car and like, what's it called, walking to rooftop buildings. Very heavily into putting on sunscreen. Now I'm taking Mario Badescu rose water. I'm gonna face rolling my eyes. And I'm going side to side, really gentle on the eye area, just because. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys after the day has passed and I'm ready to take off. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing makeup today. I think I might wear mascara, but that's it. So I'll see you guys later when I do my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, I'm a terrible YouTuber. Completely forgot to film my nighttime routine for my Hello Skincare video. I just got out of the shower. I washed my face. I don't shower every morning and every night. I shower once a day. But obviously I washed my hair today. I literally haven't, I forgot to film. I thought I did it and I didn't. Anyways, I just washed my face with this. Hello. Okay, it's Lancome Meal and Mousse Foaming Cleansing Makeup Remover with something, I don't know how to pronounce that. Next, going in with our oil. Everything will be linked down below, don't you worry, friends. I'm in my resort right now, so I forgot a couple stuff. Like I forgot my face roller, I forgot my witch hazel. Guys, I'm breaking out right now. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, you can kind of tell. But anyways, I don't know why I'm breaking out so bad. Probably because I've been stressed and stuff, and I only break out when I have stress or if I'm on my period. So TMI, whatever. Next, my night cream. It's the Lancome Lift Multi-Action Night. There you go. Okay, I have nails, so I go like this. Don't want to get wrinkly, so that's what we're doing. I heard it's good to rub your creams upwards. I forgot who said that. I'm literally like standing so awkwardly so I can like see you guys, but like we're going in with my lash thing. Gimbal. Like I said in the morning, I do it morning and night. If I remember, lol. At work, I yell a lot because there's like screaming children, so they don't listen to me, so you gotta yell. All right, after that's done, I'm gonna brush my teeth. Wait, this is my skincare routine. You don't care if I brush my teeth. Whatever, I'm doing it. I'm going in with the back of my nail. That's good. And I dip. This is what I look like. Not mean to flip you guys off. But like I said, I just dab my products in. Tap. I look awful. I'm like, hi, this is my skin routine while I have like a huge pimple all over my face. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. So, this is the result. Kind of breaking out right now. I'm so sorry. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it took me so long to upload something. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, leave me a video request down below. All the products I used will be linked in the description. If I find them, I should be able to find them. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Sometimes you gotta love somebody from afar. Baby, it ain't cute when you fuck with my